Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup Kabita'se Kitchen step by step. Start by washing and chopping all vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Warm a tablespoon of olive oil in a pot and sauté garlic and onions until fragrant. Add harder vegetables first, then pour in 4 cups of broth and simmer gently until tender. Finish with fresh herbs, adjust salt and pepper, and serve hot with crusty bread. Begin by warming your pot and adding olive oil, then sauté aromatics like onion and garlic for that deep, homey flavor. Toss in carrots and potatoes next, stirring so they pick up the pan flavors. Add chopped tomatoes, celery, and any quick cooking greens toward the end. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and cook until everything is tender and melded together. Season gradually and taste as you go to keep flavors balanced and fresh. If you like a creamier texture, partially blend with an immersion blender and keep some chunks for interest. Stir in a splash of cream or a squeeze of lemon to brighten the flavors, then add chopped fresh herbs like parsley or thyme. Let the soup rest a few minutes off heat so flavors settle before serving warm with your favorite bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.